Hi traders, welcome back to FTMO. In our last video, we talked about how money psychology can lead to cutting profits too early. Today, we're going to explore another major challenge that comes from the same mindset: FOMO, the fear of missing out. FOMO is one of the strongest psychological forces in the markets. You see a chart moving fast, you notice others posting their wins, or you catch yourself thinking, if I don't jump in right now, I'll lose my chance. But here's the catch: FOMO rarely leads to good decisions. It usually pushes traders into impulsive entries, oversized positions, or chasing setups that don't fit their strategy. Let me tell you about Sarah, a trader I once worked with. Sarah spent hours creating a solid trading plan, but whenever she saw a move taken off without her, she felt a wave of panic. Her mind told her, if you don't take this trade now, you'll miss out and regret it. So she would jump in late, usually at the worst possible price. Most of these trades ended in losses, which only fed her frustration. The more she compared herself to others, the more she felt like she was falling behind. Her real struggle wasn't the market itself. It was the belief that opportunities are scarce and slipping away. FOMO is deeply tied to money psychology. If you grew up feeling like opportunities or resources were limited, your brain may still operate from a scarcity mindset. If I don't grab this now, I may never get another chance. In trading, that belief is toxic. The market is infinite in opportunities, but your capital and emotional energy are not. Acting from scarcity means you're constantly chasing instead of waiting for the trades that actually match your edge. Here's a simple exercise. Imagine the market like a bus station. If you miss one bus, what happens? Another one comes, always. The same is true in trading. Instead of focusing on the trade you missed, shift your focus to preparing for the next one. Write down what made you want to jump in impulsively. Was it social media? Was it seeing a sudden move? By identifying the trigger, you take back control. You can also create a short mantra, like, the market always gives another opportunity. My edge is worth waiting for. Repeat it whenever you feel the urge to chase. Breaking free from FOMO means building trust in yourself and in your strategy. Set rules for when you enter trades and stick to them. Practice journaling not just your trades, but also your emotions. Know the times you felt FOMO and how it influenced your choices. Over time, you'll notice a shift. Instead of feeling pressure to jump in, you'll feel calmer, more patient, and more confident in waiting for high-quality setups. So remember, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. The opportunities aren't going anywhere, but your discipline is what will make the difference. Alright traders, now it's your turn. Reflect on the last time you felt FOMO in trading. What triggered it, and how did it affect your decision? Share your experiences in the comments, and let's learn from each other.